These ads that you're seeing right now were created using only AI in less than a minute. And here's the best part. I didn't even have the product. No script, no filming, no editing. Everything was done using just one AI tool. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a high-converting product ad using just a single image. Whether it's outfit ads, ASMR-style unboxing videos, or even ads for your app. All step by step. I'll also share some huge mistakes you must avoid, because one small mistake can completely ruin your ad performance. The tool we're going to use is ArcAds, so click the link in the description and head over to ArcAds. Now, once you are on the ArcAds website, you need to click on this video tab right here. Then first, we need to describe what kind of video we want to create and upload our product image. So for the product, I have this perfume from Amazon. We need to grab the image of this product, then we need to come back to the ArcAds website and click on this Upload Image button. This is the product image. I will click on Upload, and then we need to select a preset from here, okay? Here, we need to click on Product Showcase, okay? Once you click on this button, you need to pick a relevant model that fits perfectly with your product. You can scroll through these options. There are a lot of different AI-generated models available. So let's say this one fits perfectly with my brand. I will click on this and then click on the Remix button. Okay? Once you click on the Remix button, you need to click here. Then again, you need to upload your image. Okay? Once the preset of the AI model and our product image are ready, we need to add a description of what we want in our video. So for that, I have created a prompt. I will give you the link in the description. You just need to copy that prompt, come to ChatGPT, paste it, and provide the product details of the product you are promoting. For me, it's this perfume. So let me copy this. I will come to ChatGPT, paste it, and simply send it. Now, ChatGPT will generate the exact script that our AI UGC model will speak. So this is the script that I got. This is the entire script. I will copy it. I will right-click, click on Copy, come back to ArcAds, and paste this script here. You don't have to do anything extra. You just need the script using the prompt I provided. Select a model and upload your product image. Then click on the Generate button. You can tweak the settings from here. It will consume 1 credit. So let's click on Generate. After that, it will show how many credits it will consume. I currently have around 97 credits. So I will click on Generate Video. And now it will take a couple of minutes for the video to be generated. All right, the video is ready. Let's watch it.
So this is Bella Vita Luxury Honey Oud, and I'm obsessed because it's sweet honey at first spray, then melts into this cozy mix of vanilla and oud.
Okay, I'm gonna be honest. This looks absolutely amazing. If someone is scrolling on TikTok and sees this, there's a very high chance they'll stop. Now let's create a fashion or outfit promotional video. First, click on the Video tab, then select a preset and upload your clothing image, the outfit that you want to promote. So I have this outfit that I want to promote. You need to have the image of it. I have saved the image. Now I will go to ArcAds and open the presets. At the top, click on Fashion. Inside fashion, there are many models. Someone standing near a train, someone walking on the streets, balconies, male models, female models, younger and older models. There are many options. You can explore and choose which one fits your outfit perfectly. I will select one that suits my outfit. According to me, I will go with this one, okay? Click on it and then click on the Remix button to use this preset. Once selected, you will see the window to upload your outfit image. I will click here and choose my outfit. Here is the outfit. I will select it. Once the preset and outfit image are uploaded, you don't need to do anything else. Just click on the Generate button. I will click here. You'll see the pop-up showing how many credits it will consume. I will simply click on Generate. Now it is generating, and I will show you how it turns out. And honestly, the quality and accuracy are top-notch. The lip sync is clean, the motion looks natural, and even the gestures feel realistic. If you're running a clothing brand, this is easily one of the smartest ways to create UGC-style ads without hiring creators again and again. Now for the ASMR type unboxing video, come again to the Video tab, go into Presets, select the unboxing preset. Here we have many camera angles and textures, marble, wooden, black backgrounds, many styles depending on your needs. I will choose one that fits my product. Let's say this one fits perfectly. I will select it and click on Remix. Then I need to upload the product image. I will click on Upload. I have this Casio watch. I will select it. Now the image has been uploaded and the preset has been selected. Now I just need to click on Generate. This will consume only 0.5 credits, which is very low considering how many views ASMR videos usually get. So I will click Generate. Now to promote an app, click on the Video tab, go to Presets. At the top, select Show Your App. There are many pre-made templates. For example, here is a model holding a smartphone with a green screen. What happens is the green screen will be replaced with your app screenshot or image. I will select this one, then click on Remix. Now I need to upload the screenshot of my app. For this example, I will promote my YouTube channel. So I will select the screenshot of my YouTube homepage. Then click Generate and click Generate Video. Now it is generating and I will meet you when it is done. Now for realistic AI actor videos. Click on the Video tab, go to Presets. At the top, select Sora 2 Actors. Here we have extremely realistic AI actors, male, female, indoor, outdoor, street scenes, everything is available. I will pick one from here. Let me select this one. Now I need to paste what she will speak. I already have my message ready. I will paste the message here. From here, you can increase or decrease the number of generations. Now click on Generate, then click Generate Video. And let's see how the final output comes out.
Okay, so this might sound weird, but I'm not real. Like, I'm a totally AI generated person. I know, I look like your friend or someone you follow, but nope, it's all digital. But Harry's content, that's 100% real and seriously useful.
So those were 5 powerful ways to create high converting ads. But the truth is, ARCAD's AI can do a lot more than that. ARCADS offers 1,000 plus different AI characters, so you can choose faces that match your exact target audience. Whether your audience prefers relatable UGC-style creators, premium-looking influencers, or niche-specific personalities, you have options. It also integrates Veil 3.1, Kling Motion Control, Nano Banana, Sora 2.0, and more. The link is in the description. Go check out ARCADS and start creating your own high-converting UGC ads today.